Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another Stock Talk for the weekend. I'm going to be covering SEC, and this was recommended by the Dodge Father. Stock Talk, let's do SE if you don't mind. Of course, before I get to SE, I just want to show you their financials and what Yahoo professionals are saying. They say long term is a good stock. Short term and mid term, they're saying it might go down. It has a lot of volume on average, about 5 million buyers and sellers a day, and the market cap is a 50 billion. So that's a good market cap. That's a good volume. So some things to look at. And another thing to look at is the 52 week range. I went from 26 to a low to 129. That's like a 600% increase, which is insane. But the fair value, which is what Yahoo thinks it's gonna, if it's overvalued or undervalued, or it's priced just right. It's saying that it's overvalued, which means that it's overbought and most likely it's going to be sold. Um, but let me jump straight to the charts. We have SC right here. I did some lines. It's very simple lines. This is just from May. I'm not gonna go back too far in the past because it just it just goes up too much, and I feel like this is when you start to see more patterns. So we can see the top support line, and I'm going to be choosing this one because this is the you want to go from the previous highs to the next high to the next high, and you can see how it just keeps hitting this line right, up here, up here, up here, and it just hits it and goes right back down. It just hits it. It does a fake one, and it just goes right back up. It was supposed to break, honestly, and it did not. So now we're down trending, but this is my top support line, which means in the future we might see this again um, once this recovers. And this is my bottom support line. The reason I chose this one is because we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's always the lowest points. So what that means is we usually stocks like to hit this line. Most likely we might see it somewhere over here again. So this stock, like it shows in Yahoo, short term and mid term, yeah, it's most likely gonna hit this line. But what I think is gonna happen Monday and Tuesday, this is a good indicator that this stock is gonna go right back out to this line. So 107, you sell it, and then after 107, it's going to take a huge dip. It's gonna break this line, and it's gonna hit 96. But it wants to stay over 100. So this is usually a 100 is usually a good support line. So it's triple. The first time I hit that triple digits, and you can see it just like tapping it right here a couple of times. Just and those are good tails. Usually good signs that it doesn't want to go under 100. I mean, that's a really good indicator that it's gonna go up. It does, and it goes right back down. So give me 1 second. Sorry. Like I said, most likely it's gonna go up, hit this, go back down, and test this line one more time. And like Yahoo says, long term is a great stock, so it's just gonna hit this and go right back up. It's gonna break this blue line, and then we're gonna see a huge uptrend, and it's gonna retest at 128. So that's my feedback for SE. I think it's a good stock. I think just watch out. I think it's gonna go back to 111, and go back down, hit this, hit probably this again, and then it's gonna hit this support line. It's most likely gonna hit this eventually. We just don't know when. But when it hits this is a great buying opportunity. So that's just my feedback. Let me know what you think. Any other stocks you want me to do, and thanks for watching.